Again logoiwek alak chitab Kalenjin kokakobor kaimetab Ken kandoik chebo Kuppet kobun emoni en county nebo Uasin Gishu kondochin Julius Korir ne rubeiwot nebo ng'echeret en Kuppet ak Elijah Mayo ne executive secretary en Kuppet mornetab Uasin Gishu. Ang ng'alalutik kandoindetab chamaitab DCP Rigathi Gachagua chekomwa ine konekit kole nyolu en kipsomaninik chebo Central kosoman ichek en sukulishek chemiten en komosaton. Kang'alaldos ichek en kasarta nekaisulda en lewenisiet ak kandoik chebo Kuppet chekakiyai en sukulitab muswoknotet nebo RVTTI en nganasetab Eldoret en county nebo Uasin Gishu. Kinyoru koindab logoiwechu kobun sirindenyon nebo logoiwek Henry Bitok.
Kachopto Korir ak Mayo logoiwechotok moche Gachagua kesir lagok chebo county agenge eng sukulit nemitei counties chechwak. Ibwat ile eng kasarta ne kokarutochi nganasetab Eldoret president nebo emoni, kasarta nekolumdoi katiaktaetab rabisiek chetinyegei ak nyota koityi neranik chebo emoni, kokomwa ine kole tinye chamchinet kipsomaniat age tugul kou eng ng'atutik kosoman sukulit age tugul nemitei emetab Kenya. Eng betusiek cheng'ering'en kora ko koimongei minista nebo somanet eng emoni Julius Ogamba akomwa ine kole manyalu eng kandoik chebo emoni kotingdo ng'alek chetinyegei ak somanet chotok bo polotet.
It is so bad for a leader to go down like that by saying that you don't take. They want the schools like Mangu High School, the schools like Loreto, Limuru, those other schools that in Central Province, they want their students to be coming from one community. I want to say that is wrong. As a union tunashutumu kwa vyovyote, na kiongozi wa aina hiyo kama mimi ningekuwa rais angekuwa korokoroni sasa hivi, angekuwa kamiti sasa hivi. Hii haiwezekani. Mimi kama Korir, mtu kama huyo anatakana apigwe kiboko, anatakana afukuzwe katika nchi hii, akuwe mtoro kabisa. Hiyo tumekataa. Usituletee siasa duni. Sisi wengine tulisoma nje ya kaunti hii. Mimi nilisoma Nairobi. Kuna watu hata walikuja area hii kutoka sehemu zote.
If you cannot allow somebody to come and school, how about allowing that person to come and work? So it is beyond the issue of schooling. In a national school, it's almost like 50% come from that county. And then we have another 20% from the region. And then we have 30% from the other regions. So in the end, we want to have, the reason why a school has to be a national is because we have the student to experience Kenya. And the school is where, even personally, I went to a school outside my county, I went to a university outside my region, and I learned a lot in terms of culture and interacting with the other students. So it is not true to say that the students come from all over and the locals are not considered. There's it's allocated on pro rata issues.
Ibwat ile ng'alalutik chetinyegei ak ng'alaletab Gachagua che kokon eng betusiek cheng'ering'en che kokosirto ko kokotestai kokon ng'alalet nekim eng biikab emet, kandoik koboto kanetik. Kit nemwoe kandoik koboto kanetikab emoni kole koibor Gachagua sasisiet netinye eng biikab emet anan kipsomaninik chebo emoni.
It has been clear, transparent and perfect. Ile kitu naweza sema tu ni may the best candidate win, na for now ile kitu tunangoja ni kupiga sherehe kihindi.
We really wish you people to go and fight for us is particularly on education and on salary increment.
So the only challenge we had is those people who are not in the register number 2, because we had register number 1 and register number 2. They are in agency something like agency whatever. They were not allowed to vote.
Shida ambazo zimepatikana ni chache tu kwa wale ambao hawakupatikana kwa sajili ya wapiga kura. Sajili ya hiki chama cha walimu cha Kuppet. Kwa hivyo hao ndio walizuiliwa kupiga kura, japo wale wengine wamepiga kura vizuri na mchakato mzima umekuwa mzuri na wa kuridhisha.
Kong'etege nganasetab Eldoret eng county nebo Uasin Gishu, logoiwekab emet chebo Gotab Kaa TV. Kainenyu ko Henry Bitok.